Good morning, children. Now I will explain for a class 4 multiplication and division. No, children. Unit 4, children. This is before also we learn, no, children. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3. Now this is the Unit 4th lesson, children. Okay. Now in this lesson we have to learn multiplication and division. Okay, in multiplication I will explain for you some sums, and division also I explain some sums how to do. You have in your book more, children. You have to do all the sums, children. Example sums also you have to do, and exercise sums also you have to do, children. Okay, now I will explain for you how to do multiplication. Okay, multiply. First exercise 1 multiply is there, that you have to do single digit, children. Single digit how you have to multiply. This is 3 digits and multiply by single digit. 7 2s are, children, how much? 7 2s are 14. 1 carry and 4 we have to write. And 7 3s are how much, children? Yes, 7 3s are 21. Plus 1. We have to add whatever we carry, no? That also we have to add. Then 7 3s are 21. Plus 1 we have to add 22. It will happen 2 carry and 2 we have to write. And 7 1s are 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 9. 9 we have to write, children. This is the product of this question, children. Now we do digit we have to multiply. I will explain for you how we have to do. See, 2 digit. The up we have 3 digit, 1s, 10s, 100 and multiply by 2 digit, 3s, 1s and 10s. Then first we have to always start with 1s only. Then once 6 table is there, or you have to learn, children. Every day you have to write 1 time table, children. 2 to 20 1 time every day you have to write. Then 6 5s are. 6 5s are how much, children? 6 5s are 30. 3 carry and 0. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 3 we have to add. How much happened? 45. Then 4 carry we have to write 5. Then 6 3s are. 6 3s are how much, children? 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 4 we have to do 22. 22. First row over. Now second row we have to write. And second row which number we have to multiply? Tens, no. That's why we have to leave the ones. You write the into mark, otherwise you have to write the 0 also. Okay. Now we have to multiply 3 table 2. 3 5s are, 3 7s are, 3 3s are. Always start with ones. 3 5s are. How much 3 5s are? 50. 1 carry and 5 we have to write. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 1 22. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 3 3s are 9 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 2, children. 9 plus 2 11 it will happen. 9 10 11. Then this will happen 3, children. Okay, once 0. 5 5 10. 1 carry 0. 2 2 4 plus 1 5. 2 plus 1 3 and 1 we have to write, children. This is the product of this multiplication. Now next one we have to multiply 3 digits. 3 digits also 3 digit and down also 3 digits. Down 4 table, 5 table, 3 table we have to write. Okay, 4 9s are 36. 3 carry and 6. Then 4 9s are 36 plus 3 39. 3 carry 9. 4 9s are 36 plus 3 39. We have to write. First row over. Now we have to multiply with second tens. Then we have to write 1 into mark. Once you have to leave and put the into mark here. Then 5 9s are 45. 4 carry and 5. 5 9s are 45 plus 4 we have to add. 49. Then 4 carry 9. And 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 3 49. Second row over, children. Now we have to multiply with 100. hundreds means third row, third number we have to multiply hundreds with 2 digits. We have to put the into mark. Ones and tens you have to put the into mark. Now we have to multiply with hundreds. 3 nines are 27. 2 carry and 7. 3 nines are 27 plus 2. 27 plus 2 29. 2 carry 9 we have to write. 3 nines are 27 plus 2 29 we have to write. Then last step we have to do add, addition we have to do. In this 3 digits we multiply, no, that we have to do addition. In ones, whatever number is there up, that only will get. And tens we have to multiply these two numbers. 9 plus 5 you will get 14. 1 carry and 4. Then we have to add in this 4 digits, 1 carry number and remaining 3 numbers. 9 9 9 9 18 1 18 1 19 19 plus 7 19 plus 7 yes 26. 2 carry and 6. Now this 4 digit we have to add. 9 9 18 19 20 20 plus 3 23. 2 carry and 3. This 3 digit we have to add. 9 10 11 11 plus 4 15. 1 carry and 5. This 2 plus 1 3 children. Okay, this is the product of this question. Now I will explain for you. 2 digits multiply by 4 digits. Up you have 4 digits and down you have 2 digits. This first we have to 2 table and after 3 table. Always start with 1 children. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry 0 and 2 0 0 only, that whatever number you carry up no 0 that you have to write children. Okay, 2 3s are 6 and first row we have to into mark. Now 3 4s are 12, 1 carry 2 and 3 5s are 15. 15 1 16, 1 carry 6 and whatever number kept on 0 no, that we have to write 1 and 3 3s are 9 children. The next step we have to add. In ones 8 and tens 0 2 is there 2 and 100 you have 6 and 1 7 and 1000 we have 6 plus 1 7 and 10,000 we have 9 only we have to write children. Okay, like this you have to multiply sums, you have to do children. All sums more you have in your textbook, all you have to practice. Okay, now we will multiply, move to exercise 2, find the quotient and the remainder. Quotient and remainder we have to do children. Division we call it. See 1725 divided by 17. 17 table here also you have to learn tables perfect children. Then only are you get, otherwise you will not get. You will perfect in table, you will get easy for you. Okay, 17 table is there. What number is there? 1725 is there. First we have to see only 2 digits. Okay, this division always starts with front. This always back, once onwards. This front, how many digits are there? That front onwards you have to do. 17 ones we have to take. Okay, 17 ones are 17. Then 17 minus 17, 0. Now bring down this 2. 2 is not divisible by 17 no, then 0. Okay, one more number you have to take. Then what number you will get? 25. Then 17 ones are 17. Then 17 ones are 17. Will 25 minus 17, you will get 8 children. Okay, this quotient of mass, this is the divisor, divided, quotient and remainder. And you have textbook properly children, all you have to learn. In division parts you have divisor, divided, quotient and remainder. Quotient, Q means quotient, 101 is a quotient and remainder R means remainder. This 8 you have to write. And one more, now this 2 digit multiply by divide by 2 digit over, now 3 digit we have to divide. Dividing 3 digits, 7, this see, this what is the number? This is 4,87,416 divided by 748. Yes, 748 we have to divide. Then we have to write inside column, rough column, we have to write the 4748 table children. Now we are writing 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 5 table, like that. You have to write 748 table. How we have to write? I will explain for you. Follow the rule. 748 into 1 jar. 748 1 jar, 748. 748 2 jar. How we have to do 2 jar? See, you know the 2 table perfectly, no? Then you can multiply 2 8 jar. 2 8 jar, 16. 1 carry you keep on the 4 and 6 you write. And 2 4 jar, 8. Plus 1 carry you kept no, that also you have to have. Then 9. 2 7 jar, 14. Then what number will get? 1496. Okay. Now 748 3 jar we have to multiply. 3 8 jar. First 1 hundreds we have to multiply, no? 3 8 jar. 3 8 jar how much? 24. 2 carry and 4. And 3 4 jar. 3 4 jar 12 plus 2. 14. 1 carry and 4. 3 7 jar. 21 plus 1 22. Understood, children? Like that 748. 4 jar we have to do. 748. 5 jar we have to do. 748. 6 jar we have to do. Then till how much we have to do? 487. 4,874 is there, no? Less that number we have to do, children. Now we will get 4,488. We have to stop here and we have to do, children. Okay. Now 7,048. When you get 4,488, 6 jar 6. 7,048 6 jar 4,488. Then we have to do minus. Subtraction we have to do. First, see 4 you subtracted to 8? No. How we have to borrow? Borrow the rule. Then 7 cut and 6 right here. 14 will get. 14 minus 8 you will get 6. Then it will happen 6. 6 is not subtracted to 8. Then cut it. And 7 right. Borrow your 16 will have 16 minus 8. 8 you will get. 7 minus 4 you will get 4, children. 7 minus 4 you will get 3. Okay, 7 minus 4 you will get 3. Then what number you will get? 386. Then bring down the next number. Then 3,861 it will get. We have to take this one. Okay, which number? 3,740 we have to take. 3,740. Then subtract this one. 1 minus 0, 1 you will get. 6 minus 4 you will get 2. And 8 minus 7 you will get 1. Okay, now we have to bring down last digit 6. Then what number we will get? 1216. Then which any number 1200 you will get? No, 1400 you will get. That's why you don't take only 748. 1 jar you will take. Then 748. 1 jar 748. Then subtract 1216 to 748. 16 minus 8. 8. Then 0 1 you will borrow here, no, you will get 0 here. Then you have to borrow again, it will happen 10. 10 minus 4 you will get 6. And 1 you will there, no, this you cut and borrow here. 11 by 7 is equal 6. Then what is the quotient here? Quotient is 651 and remainder is 468. We have to write, children. Understood, children? Then I will multiply by 4-digit number. First we have to learn 2-digit divide by 4-digit. Then this 3-digit multiply by 6-digit, divide by 6-digit. Now we have to multiply by divide by 4-digit to then 6-digit, children. Now how we have to multiply this? See, 4,11,856 divided by 1000. Then 1000 4 jar 4000. 1000 4 jar 4000. Then we have to subtract to this 4118. Then we will get 118 left. Then bring down this 5. Then 1185 will happen. Now 1001 jar we have to take 1000. Then minus it 5. 8 and 1, 1 0 you will get here 0. Then we have to bring down 6 and 1856 we have. Then 1001 jar 1000, then subtract it, you will get 6. 5 and 8 is 0. 856 is the remainder and 401, 411 is the portion, children. Okay, in the textbook you have more sums, you have to practice, children. If you are not getting, call to me, otherwise, okay, I will explain for you, children, clearly. If you have doubt, call to me, I will clear. Now onwards you will get the online classes, children. Why? Because government order is came now, close the schools. That's why we are giving now today onwards online classes. Listen carefully and write the classwork, complete your classwork, whatever work you will get, all you have to complete neatly, children. Okay, thank you, children.